Hi everyone, welcome back to How to Login. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Kotak Mahindra Bank application on your Android device. Watch the video till the end in order to learn how and subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also, press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Go ahead and open up your Play Store first. And now, head over to the search box at the top and type in Kotak Mahindra Bank. Make a search, and in the search result, you'll be able to see the application displayed. Tap on the install button in order to begin your download. Always make sure to be connected to your strong internet while downloading any kind of an application on your device. After the download is done, it will take a minute to install on your Android device, so give it a few minutes. After it is done, tap on the open button to launch the app open. That is how you'll be able to get Kotak Mahindra Bank application on your Android device so that you can get access to your online banking account right from your mobile devices, quick and easy. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.